Hello, today video will be the short one. I download this picture from Pixabay. You can download it also. Link will be in description. Also this one for creating grass brush and this one too. Now we are going to create this simply grass brush. We're going to edit and define brush pressed. Name it grass and that's it. You have grass brush. Simply as that. Now we are going to see how it's work. I'm going to add a layer mask, then choose black color, use this brush that we are created and paint some areas that should be in the grass. And just easy as that. It look like natural, like statue is standing in the grass. For another one we are going to do the same thing. Edit, define brush set, name it grass number 1, number 2, whatever you like. Then we are going to erase this layer mask, add another one and paint another brush we create like this. Just tweak it a little bit and that's it for today's video. I hope you like it and of course see you next time.